Ever wondered how a complex ceramic part is created through 3D printing? Let's dive in. It all starts with a CAD model, where the 3D structure is meticulously designed. Next, we slice the model into layers and set the exposure and thickness parameters. Then we blend ceramic powder with photosensitive resin to create a printable slurry. Into the machine it goes. The DLP light source cures the slurry layer by layer, just like a projection. Once printed, we carefully clean off the excess resin to reveal the green body. Now for the most critical stage, debinding and high-temperature sintering to achieve full density. Finally, polishing brings out the smooth, refined finish. And there you have it, a masterpiece of precision. Got questions? Leave a comment below and let's discuss the future of ceramics.